أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Young scholars, we are going to have the second session regarding now our comprehension of Tracy writing now. Yesterday we discussed that the word Tracy, it is pronounced in two different ways. The first one is
Singular is Tracy.
excellent. When it is singular, it's pronounced as Tracy. When it is plural, it is pronounced as Tracy's now. And one more thing which we discussed, it was that the word Tracy means and later on know that we tried to understand it now keeping our paper in view now that our paper shall contain a passage in the exams now, and that passage shall be containing ideas in it now. When we say ideas, so we talk about that there shall be some topic, about that topic there shall be some opinion, and one more thing is there that there shall be, you can say, a group of sentences no just to support the opinion no. This is clear now. So in other words, know that there shall be main ideas in the passage. What? The main idea, and for each main idea there shall be supporting detail. If there are 5 main ideas in the passage, how many supporting details are supposed to be there?
At least 5.
At least 5. That the passage contains main ideas, and against each main idea there are supporting details. When we go through the whole passage, it develops some impression in our mind. And when we say impression, so impression now is the name of image. It is developed by writing sentences. Clear? And the first condition for writing sentences is that there should be continuity. It means that the passage that is likely to be there in the exam, it shall have some impression, and that impression shall be created, developed now by writing all these main ideas and supporting details with continuity. Number 2, there shall be clarity, because without clarity there is no concept of impression now. And the third thing was completeness, no, that whatever the thing is said or read in the passage, it should be complete in all senses now. This point is clear?
Yes.
No. When we write this passage, briefly, or in other words, when we shorten this paragraph, so this shortened writing which contains the same impression, the same continuity, the same clarity, the same completeness, so this shortened paragraph is known what? A Tracy. Is clear? Before I move forward, I would like to revise that what is main idea, what is supporting detail. I'm going to show you a few slides now, and it's you to spot, especially the great Atif now. As that is over, after that we shall move forward. So you ready for that? This is sentence number 1. There are bad things about being president. Second sentence is no, the president always has to be dressed up. Mr. Atif, what is the main idea and what is the supporting detail? Faisal,
There are bad things about being president. Yeah, main idea.
this is main idea.
And the president always has to be dressed up.
This is
Supporting.
next, please, Mr. Atif. Someone once threw cabbage at William Howard Taft. People get mad at the president. What's the main idea?
People that man.
Excellent. This is the main idea, and this is the detail of that. Please, if you want to be president, no, your size doesn't matter.
Yeah.
James Madison was only 100 pounds. Atif
The first one is the main.
is the main idea that size doesn't matter. Size, no. This is example, no. This is no, that his size was hardly no 100 pounds. They even had a Shetland pony called Algonquin. No, Theodore Roosevelt's children practically ran a zoo. Atif.
So I think second one is the main idea.
This is the main idea. That no, that children of this president know they were practically running a zoo. And no, this example of that, no, the description of that zoo. That in that zoo even no, they had no a Shetland pony, no. Almost any job can lead to the White House. Ronald Reagan was a movie actor.
The second one is the main idea. No. Yeah, the first one.
First one.
You will come to know that why I'm showing it. It's a very, very important.
Yeah.
If you are good at it, so your praise, shall be that solved within no time. Being president can be wanting to serve your country. George Washington left his Virginia plantation 3 times to lead and serve the country he loved. What's the main idea and what is the supporting detail?
The first one is the.
The first one is the main idea, and this is no the detail of that. Detail of no that president has to serve and someone served. No. John Kennedy sent no Peace Corps, no volunteers around the globe to teach and help others. Some presidents do things to make the world a better place. The second one is the main idea, and the first one is very good. MashaAllah. Any question as far as main idea and supporting detail is concerned? Précis, it contains main points, and you know what is meant by main points, what is meant by main ideas, and it contains a general impression of the original passage. Whatever the impression of the original passage is there, same impression is supposed to be maintained. All the main ideas in the passage are supposed to be mentioned over there in your précis. Not a single one should be skipped. This point is clear?
Yeah.
Later on we shall discuss that how is it possible that you are now of the opinion that it should be condensed, shortened. It should be very good. No, shortened, no, to the maximum extent. No, how is it possible? We shall inshallah make it very easy. No. Again, as the passage is continuous, your phrase should be continuous. As the passage is clear, your phrase should be clear. As the original passage is complete, your phrase should be complete. But keep in mind that the passage is not brief, your phrase should be brief. No. This was the point our session was over at. The yesterday session I'm talking about. When we start reading the passage which is there now for phrase writing. So the first thing which we are required to do, that is to spot what the main ideas. Now the main idea is to be spotted first of all. I am going to show you a few lines. It's you to read these lines and spot what the main ideas. Please.
It is often said that the lightning never strikes twice.
This is now
And then we have also opinion that it
clear. So this is the whole story about. No, the whole passage is about this sentence. No, it is often said that lightning never strikes twice in the same place. It is said, but it is not true. And now this is the detail. So it means the whole story is about this sentence. So this is the main idea now. This point is clear?
Yes.
Number 2, please. What is the main idea?
The last sentence.
The last one now. This is.
Because this was the best year.
And how was it best? This is the detail now. See, these lines, they have a main idea, and this is the main idea. And this main idea, it has supporting details. This paragraph, it has supporting details. Now, what is the main idea? The best year in the history of the company. What is clear? Clear or not? Now that this was the best year in the history of the company. What happened that it was the best year? No. First one, this is number 1, the costs were low. Number 2, output was high. Number 3, good person for each job. Number 4, and market remained firm. Clear? Number 5, no losses. No from fire. These are the 5 reasons due to which the company had the best year in its history. You can say this was what? This was the best year in the history of the company due to, because of. What is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Due to or because of. It's better, I think, said to because of. Because of what? Now all these 5 points can be mentioned in one sentence. Now it's you to convert, no? This main idea plus all these details, no, into one sentence. Please try to. See, number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, aided.
Yes.
Aided, no,
In
ending
as the best year
as the best year in the history of the company. Excellent.
Something like that. Okay. Because I wanted to keep the same continuity.
Love you, my son. But in précis, even you can change the order.
Order can be changed, okay.
Because what is the requirement of the précis, that impression should be the same.
Yeah, impression should be changed, yeah.
But good effort, no like that. Mas. Over here you can say, no, this was the best year in the history of company due to, or because of low cost, or simple like
Yes,
that.
yes, it's good.
This point is clear.
Yes.
That how to convert the main idea and supporting details into one sentence now. What is clear?
Yes.
Gentlemen. Go through it, please. Then, please, what is the main idea?
The whole area is a great country for hunters and fishermen.
Yeah.
Excellent. No. This whole area is a great country for hunters and fishermen. No, rest of the detail that how is it great area. No, what does it give? No, to the hunters. What does it give to the fishermen? No, what's the details? Hunters, they have what? Deer or bears, mountain lions, and coyotes.
So it's good.
And for the fishermen now, there are streams full of what? Trout,
Good, that's fine.
ducks, and geese. They live in water, no? Points clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you are requested now to give its summary or to conclude this paragraph in one sentence,
Yes.
try to create it. No,
Please,
Atif.
Can you pass the pen box, pen bucket?
This country land
Okay,
carries a great aspect for hunters and fishermen,
okay,
owing to the presence of deers, bears, mountain lions,
okay,
coyotes,
okay,
and trout, ducks, geese,
okay.
respectively.
Correct.
Because in the order.
Okay, got it. Good effort.
Yeah.
The area is great country as for hunters contain
Okay,
bear, mountain lions and coyotes.
okay.
While for fishermen, trout, ducks and geese are there.
Good idea. Very good idea. And keep in mind that today I am trying to make you understand how to convert now the main idea and supporting detail into one sentence. Clear?
Yes.
And from tomorrow onward we shall discuss how to abridge them, how to shorten these sentences now. And then the point shall be, you can say, discussed over there the point, no, here the role of vocabulary is there now. I shall explain so many things now, but today my focus is on how to convert the topic sentence or the main ideas and supporting details into one sentence. Well done. Go through this passage and try to find the main idea and then supporting details. And after that, it's you to convert the main idea and supporting detail into one sentence.
How to keep the glasses safe?
Excellent. There's a no stated main idea, no? There's an implied main idea. All these sentences are the details. Now it's you to write that what is that implied main idea, and then these are few, you can say, pieces of information. It's you to convert these information, and that implied sentence or the main idea into one sentence. Please. Very good.
If you get glasses,
Okay.
better make sure the timely adjustments of earpiece
Love you, my son. Okay.
and keep the lens scratchless using soft cleaning cloth.
This one, no?
Yeah.
This point is missing only. No? Otherwise, excellent, no? Success story. Well done, gentleman, no? You ready?
Yes. Good.
Take it easy, take it easy, take it easy. Cool and calm.
Okay.
In the exam, there is a passage. In the passage, what is there?
The main idea, some details.
Main idea and no supporting details. There can be more than one idea.
Okay.
2, 3, 5, 10, and for each main idea there shall be support in detail. This point is clear. The first thing which we are to do, that is to spot the main ideas. As we, for example, we are going through the passage, make a list of all the main ideas. Main idea 1, 2, 3, 4, no. I showed you know that 6 to 7, no. What? The slides, no. And each slide contained main idea and supporting detail. First, main idea number 1, main idea number 2, main idea number 3, and against each main idea you have supporting detail number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and so on. Do you remember? The best, it was the best year in the history of the company. Number 1, low cost. Number 2, what was?
High outputs.
Very good, high outputs. Number 3, it was
Competent employees.
competent, no stop, no, or implies, though. And number 4, no losses, no. There were 5 points. What was the fifth one? Fifth one.
No fire.
No, firm market.
Excellent. Firm market, you know. This point is clear. How to read that passage? Spot main ideas and then make a list of what? Details, no. And detail again, it should be in 1 word or 2 word, no. You need to write no sentences, no. Now, how to shorten it? I'm going to begin with, no. How to shorten it, no. And before that we were discussing that how to convert this main idea and all these supporting details into one sentence. That's clear?
Yes, sir.
The next point is now, see over here there is a converted sentence.
Yeah.
Converted sentence is there, no? Now you have list of converted sentences
Okay.
of the whole passage, of the whole paragraph, no? Now the next question is that how to shorten it. For shortening there are 4 devices.
Okay.
There are 4 ideas. The first device or the first idea is substitution. What?
Substitution.
Substitution of one word for a group of words.
Yeah.
That when we make a list, we convert you can say those 2 points into our own what? Which sentence?
Converted sentence.
Converted sentence, no? So our converted sentences again they have group of words.
Okay.
So we can replace that group of word with one word. Now, this is the first technique. Now, here is a list of 6 sentences, and these sentences, they are highlighted. Which part? A part of a group, comprising few words. What is your assignment? That it's you to read these groups of words or high or underlined words, and it's you to replace this group with one word. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Even after the teacher entered the classroom, the boys went on playing. What's the group of word? Went on.
Continued.
Continued now.
Yeah.
You know that phrase basically, it's you to shorten. Word shall be counted. Now, there were 2 words, went on. Now you have replaced these 2 words with one word. That with continued.
So we can
Kept.
also replace even after with the spite.
Excellent. Now, even after. Correct?
Yeah. Exactly.
But as the assignment is over there, so that's why. Now, there's so many things are, no? See. He is in debt because of his habit of spending money wastefully. Group of sentence. Habit of spending money wastefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words are there.
Extravagance.
Excellent. Now,
extravagance,
excellent. Next point is the celebrations went on for a whole month.
Yeah, it's like
Continued,
continued.
Then there is, his uncle is a famous designer of buildings. Architect, Architect. Then the drunkard abuse people without discrimination.
Indiscriminately.
Indiscriminately. So without discrimination, you have replaced this group of words with one word. No. He spent most of his life abroad as one set out of his country.
Exile.
Excellent. Now, exile. See, one sent out of his country. Exile. MashaAllah. Okay, sentence number 7. The country is passing through a critical phase. A critical phase? Crisis. Now, see, Bacon's essays are full of terse, witty, pointed statements. Such statements are those statements which are terse, witty, and pointed. Can be named as epigrams. What? Here's the role of vocabulary now. Epigrams. See, other is there, if you lose your good name, it is not easy to get it back. Good name? Repute or reputation now. There was no famine now in our country during the last 20 years. Last 20 years.
2 decades.
Again, there's no difference. 20 years to decades. Why are you replacing? We replace the words just to decrease their number. So it should not be done.
But I think there is some word for 10 years, decade, and for 20, there is some word.
There is word. I'll show you. Don't worry. See, I have. Very good. Love you, my son. No. So replacing doesn't mean that just you replace write with read or read with write. No. Keep in mind that is it benefiting you as far as the number of words is concerned. If the number was decreasing, it's okay. Otherwise, don't replace now. Or here, the Mona Lisa is the best among the works of Leonardo da Vinci. The best work. Masterpiece. Excellent. No? See, my friend had the special right or advantage of that visiting England as the official guest of the Queen. Privilege now. Know the words you were talking about. Have a look at it now. And millennium 1000. So many words are there. There's a few examples. Thank you. Any question? No. We discussed so many things today. And keep in mind that I'm just running forward. No. As these sessions are over, I will have one more session, a comprehensive session. No. What is précis? No. What is the requirement of précis writing? How is it written now? What is kept in mind now? But as the time is passing, I think now that you're getting some ideas now. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow, inshallah.
पतझड़ ही अंजाम था जिनका, अब वो बहारें बीत गई। हो तेरे बिना यूं घड़ियां बीती जैसे सदियां बीत गई।